Hello YouTubers and welcome back to my IT workshop. So in this short video I want to show you a Chromebook that doesn't die or doesn't shut down when you pour water on it. So I wanted to do a tutorial on how to troubleshoot a Chromebook when you spill water on it, but I wasn't able to do it using this one because, as you can see, it's still on after half a bottle of water. And now I'm going to turn it off to show you that the button is still working. So I turn it off. You see the Chromebook over there, it's full of water. I would imagine the motherboard is as well. So now I'm going to dry it a little, as you can see now, very quick. And now I'm going to turn it on again, and it still works. So I decided, hey, let's add more water to it like this, but still works. So I thought this was interesting, funny, so that's all I wanted to show you. Thank you very much.